In this video, you'll learn how to fit a set of shutters sideways into the wall. Lift the frame into place onto some small packers. Adjust the frame so it's level or an equal distance away from the window. Place a screw through your pre-drilled holes and tap with a hammer to mark where you need to drill. Do this all round the frame. Remove your frame and use a 6mm masonry bit and drill all your holes. Insert 6mm raw plugs into all your holes and refit the frame into position. Use some packers between the wall and frame to pack out the frame so it fits squarely within your recess. Fit the packers above the screws where possible so they don't slip down. They provide something firm to screw against. You might need to try different size packers and try the shutters in the frame several times to get the frame to fit correctly. When you're happy, screw in all your screws around the frame to pull it tight up against the packers. If you have bifolding shutters, connect the bifolds together first. Lift the left set of shutters into place within the frame and insert the hinge pins. The label indicates the top of the panel and if it's left or right. Do the same for the right-hand set. Make any adjustments to the roller catchers to help alignment or to tighten or loosen the closure. Remove the shutters and insert the white cover caps to cover the screw holes. These just push into place. Fill the gap using decorator's cork and damp cloth. Refit the shutters and you're done. That's how simple it is to install a set of shutters. And if you found our video helpful, please share our website with your friends or send us some comments or feedback.